Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make French toast. So if you don't have no toaster, I'm going to show you how to make it, right? So to start this recipe, we only need a few ingredients. Some bread, sliced bread, that's 2 sliced bread, and 1 egg. We might add an additional as we go along. And these are just the simple ingredients that you'll be using today for this quick and easy breakfast idea. So stick around. So first, we're going to crack the egg into the container that we have here. Guys, I'm not the best at cracking egg. So you want to crack them one by one to ensure that it is not spoiled or it doesn't have blood in it. And what I like to do is remove the eye. So them call it the eye, right? So remove the eye from the egg. So we're going to go in and add a second egg. You want to ensure that you don't get the shells in it as well. And as I said before, I remove the eye from the egg. Place them into separate containers and then we're going to transfer it over. We'll give it a whisk. Right, so nice and lovely. So this is how it is looking. So we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're going to give it a stir to get it blended. We're not going to add any salt in this. Okay, so this is the mixture. It is ready. So after this step, all we're going to be using now is the hands, right? So ensure that your hands are clean. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to take each slices of bread and dip into the egg. Okay guys, so before we start coating the egg, we're going to preheat the pan. So you want to ensure that the pan is heated, and we're going to melt margarine into it. So we're just going to allow the margarine to melt. You're not going to be using cooking oil. It's best to use margarine. So we're just going to place the bread into the egg and coat them on both sides, right? So both sides coated with egg, edge to edge, side to side, so you ensure that it is covered into the egg, right? This is how it is looking. And when you place it into the pan, you want to ensure that it is on medium heat. Not low, guys, medium heat. Because you want it to get that brown, golden brown color. Because remember, we're French toasting. So we're just going to repeat this process for both slices of bread. We'll soon come back. So we have just flipped one side. So we're just going to press it with a spatula so that the heat can penetrate through the bread. Because remember that we use egg, so we don't want the egg raw, right? So you ensure that the sides are cooked as well as the edges. Remember, medium heat, guys, so that it can be toasted properly. If you don't put it on medium heat and you put it on low, it is going to soak up all the grease or the oil from the butter. So you're going to just leave it like this, and then you watch it to ensure that each sides are golden brown, and then you flip them. Use a spatula to press on it so that the steam can pass through, because you don't want any raw bread, because remember that the egg is raw. So you want to use the spatula to press onto the bread so it can be fried straight through. So when the other side is golden brown as well, we just continue to press on it with a spatula, and then you can remove it. Guys, it is as easy as that. It requires about 5 minutes or even less, because it's pretty easy. It doesn't require much. All you need is an egg and your 2 slices of bread. So if you're in a rush, you can just make some French toast and just spread some cheese on it, or if you have avocado, you can spread some avocado on it, because I don't know a pear season now. So yes, you can spread some avocado on it and you're good to go. Easy and healthy breakfast idea. That is left, you can just pour it in the same pan and just scramble it. We're not going to waste anything around here. Right? Just scramble it. So here we have it, our French toast and scrambled eggs. Easy as that, guys. Look at it. All right. Alright guys, so let's try it out. I wanna dip some pancake syrup on it. Guys, these are the DIY pancake. If you don't have any pancake, you can do this. It works just the same. And then we're gonna try it. Yeah. And then you can just try some of the scrambled egg. It tastes so delicious, yeah. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Bye.